Here we are in Quarry Green C Block. Block 3 is for the fire service. They named the blocks 1, 2 and 3. Now, I did complain to the housing manager, Joe Williams, about there being an alarm in the caretaker's area main fire panel. Now, in his email he stated that engineers had been out. I don't know whether it was to the caretaker's area main fire panel or whether it was to this panel that we have outside here, because periodically that throws up a fault also. But at the moment the noise is coming from the caretaker's area main fire panel. If I put the phone right up against the door, you can hear that pretty distinctly. So for LIVV Housing Group, if you look at this video, you can hear and see quite clearly that there is an alarm going off.